MEL Science kits are awesome. MEL Science gives you more, gives you everything you need. Not like the other science kits where I have to go to the store and buy this and this and this and this, you know? Everything is there.
You need to be a scientist to know like how to do it. Like,
wow, it's magic.
I find the experiments really cool.